One of the proudest moments, I think, was when I asked my students of the Holistic Health Transformation Program to do weather magic with me and to basically stop Hurricane Patricia. It was Friday night, October 23rd at 8 p.m. and it was date night, and I don't know why I opened my email on date night, but I felt called to. I don't normally watch the news, so I knew nothing about the hurricane, but then I found out about it and was told by the angels that it was actually artificially created. So I thought, uh-oh, that's not good. Let's do something about it. So I went on Facebook that night to my students, and I urgently called them to help out. I said, now, here it is. Use your Tulpacan healing powers and energy. I want you to change the storm. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I'm going to visualize what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask Archangel Uriel to do and his team to help out, but I want your energy too. And so several of my students actually went ahead and did a healing on the storm. And remember, Patricia was supposed to be the strongest hurricane ever recorded in the Western Hemisphere. We're talking big. They thought maybe even 200-mile-per-hour winds were going to happen. And we did the healing, and I got to tell you, I actually forgot about it. The next day I went to a Halloween party, totally forgot about it. But then my husband says to me, hey, I think it's working. I'm like, really? And he goes, yeah. I said, well, I kind of pictured it kind of petering out into nothing. And he goes, oh my gosh, that's exactly what happened. So within 12 hours, basically the storm just dissipated. It just got thinner and thinner and thinner. And I think the news media was probably kind of upset because they had nothing to really report the next day. So, they were just saying, well, it was the strongest hurricane ever recorded at these huge winds. And, by 8 a.m. Eastern, that was 12 hours later after we did the healing. It wasn't even a hurricane any longer. Basically, it was, downgraded to tropical storm, and rapid weakening is expected to continue. And boy, I got to tell you, I jumped for joy when I heard that. So I am so proud of my students for doing this. And guess what? You can do it too. It's weather magic, and I love when my students take what they learn and apply it. Woohoo!